stick around to see these adorable crafts that were inspired by this adorable book. And guess what? The author is only 3 years old, so you have to stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you some more book inspired crafts for the upcoming week. But before we get into it, don't forget to like this video right now because you're just gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know every time that I post. Don't forget to hit that notification bell while you also hit that subscribe button as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can see lots of quick crafts and other tutorials on my Instagram, so definitely follow me, Activity Author, on Instagram. Okay, so now with all that being said, let's go ahead and find out a little bit more about the book that inspired these activities today. So today's book is called Bella's Big Wish, and it was written by Bella Noelle Jordan and Ronda Davis, illustrated by Jessica McLaughlin. Bella is an adorable 3-year-old author who helped write Bella's Big Wish, and it is based on real life events. Don't you just love books like that? In this book, Bella's Big Wish, her birthday is approaching, and mom is making big plans for the family to get together and celebrate. And Bella is anticipating and anxiously waiting for her birthday, but she's wondering what her big wish is. So you can see her walking all around the house and looking under beds and trying to find her big wish. But just to find out at the end, her big wish was, you gotta get the book to find out. I'm not gonna just give away all the secrets now. So what you can do is go ahead to their website. The link is in the description box below, and all the other information about this book. Go to their website right now and find out how you can get your hands on this adorable book because you're just gonna love it. Beautiful illustrations, cute storyline, and it's so very creative. So all the information on this book is in my description box, so go check that out as soon as this video is done. And Bella, oh my goodness, congratulations on your first book. And I hear that you have a coloring book that is coming out too. So guys, definitely go ahead and check Bella out. Follow her on Instagram and all her social medias. Everything is linked down below. Congratulations, Bella. All right, guys, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into these adorable crafts that I have created from this book, and you're just gonna love it. So I will go ahead and tell you guys the thing that inspired this craft was this beautiful cake that was reoccurring in the book. So I was like, we're gonna make that. So that is what we did. So we took a piece of construction paper. You're gonna need about 2 pink pieces of construction paper. The first one you're gonna accordion fold like this to make the wrapper of the cupcake. Go ahead and glue the ends down. Next, you will see me prepping the sheet for my daughter to come and put the cotton balls on. So just go ahead and put some glue all over so they don't miss a spot. And here's a little pro tip for you. Pull the cotton balls apart because they are already too big the way they come in those packages. So if you use it the way it comes in the package, it's gonna be way too big. You can use the whole bag and you won't have any left for your house. So here's my daughter. She's 3 years old and she is putting the cotton balls all over in the glue. And then when she is done, I took a white piece of construction paper and a pink one. I folded it in half because I'm gonna make the ears of our unicorn. And when you are done, go ahead and take that pink piece of construction paper. That's going to be the inside of the ear. So cut it a little smaller than the white and then glue it in the inside. Now you want to take a piece of yellow construction paper and you're going to go ahead and cut out a long triangle to represent the unicorn's horn. And you can decorate this with sequins or any way you want. I'm just going to go ahead and draw lines on it for now, but glitter would have been my next thing to do to this. So go ahead and put the ears, but guys, While I was looking back at my craft, I totally forgot the puffs, the Afro puffs. So I went back and I put those in. But if you are doing the Afro puffs, which I highly suggest, put them on and then put the ears on top. And then have your child decorate their cupcake any way they want. They can put pom-pom balls, or they can put string or glitter glue, whatever you have around the house. And this is the final look. So you can do it with the Afro Puffs, which I totally suggest. Or you can do it without, and it still is a cute little unicorn cupcake. All right, let's go ahead and get to the second craft. So family seems to be a reoccurring theme in our book, Bella's Big Wish. So I thought we could put together a family tree, and not just any family tree, a family love tree. So go ahead and trace your child's hand and their arm to make the tree, and then cut this out. Then grab about 5 or 6 coffee filters and have your child color them red and blues, or any color they want to make their hearts. Once your child is done coloring the filter, go ahead and put it in a Tupperware bowl or a baking sheet. Grab a dropper, a medicine dropper, or I got this medicine syringe. It was the quickest thing I could find. And just go ahead and saturate your coffee filters with water so that that red color can bleed and give a nice tie-dye look. And I will say, you don't have to do this part. You could totally do this with red construction paper and make your hearts that way, but I thought this would be a lot of fun and brings another element to this art project. Okay, so once you got your filters nice and saturated, leave them to dry. We left ours to dry overnight, and when we woke up, they were dry. So we went ahead and attached our hand to a blue piece of construction paper. You can use whatever color you have around. And this is what our filters look like once they were dry. I kind of had them hanging on side of the bowl so they could dry faster, but you don't have to do that. Just let it fully dry. So now what we're going to do is make our hearts out of these filters. So fold it in half like this, and you can actually stack multiples on top of each other to cut more than one. And you're just going to cut out a half of a heart shape. Once you do that, if you cut along that fold, it'll be a full heart when you're done. Here you can see me doing the same thing, but I stacked multiple coffee filters together so that way I can cut more out in a quicker time. So I suggest you do that. Then you want to have your child go ahead and glue the hearts on the tree. Now I'm going to glue mine just one half of the heart on the tree because I want to have a nice 3D look, and I want the leaves / hearts to look like they're jumping out on the paper at you. So that is why I'm only gluing half of them. And also, if you don't want that weird looking glue dot, you can use a glue stick and you won't have that problem. I wasn't thinking about that. I was just wanting to create. So definitely take that tip. And that is how it looks when it is done. We're gonna let this dry. And this is the final look. How cute, right? And you can also bring that family tree element by naming your hearts after your family members, just like they have on this picture with all of their beautiful shirts. How cool is this, guys? Well, I hope you enjoyed these wonderful crafts that I brought for you today, inspired by this gorgeous book. And I hope you guys drop down in the description box right now. This is the time to do it. And go ahead and follow Bella and definitely look at her website. Check it out so you can get her book, her coloring book, and all that she has to offer. Well, I thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end. Make sure you like the video. Don't leave without liking it. And definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know every time that I post. And if you would like your book to be the next book-inspired craft, definitely hit me up because we can make that a possibility. And guys, there are some videos right here ready for you to click on. So go ahead and click on the next video so you can see more from your girl, the activity author. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.